Welcome to Bike Sphere, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're checking out the highly anticipated 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 dirt bike. Let's take a closer look at what this bike has to offer for off-road enthusiasts. Design and build quality. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 continues the legacy of its predecessors with a rugged and durable design, perfect for tackling tough terrains. It features a compact frame, lightweight construction, and high ground clearance to handle rocky trails and deep mud. The bold new graphics and upgraded bodywork make the bike more stylish while still focusing on functionality. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Hero Xpulse 200 is a 199.6 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. The 2025 model comes with improved power delivery, offering smoother throttle response and more torque. The bike continues to provide an excellent balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both urban commuting and long off-road adventures. With around 18.1 horsepower, it remains an excellent choice for beginners and seasoned riders alike. Suspension and handling. Hero has upgraded the suspension system for the 2025 Xpulse 200. It features long-travel telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock rear, ensuring smooth handling over rocky, uneven surfaces. Whether you're climbing steep inclines or navigating technical trails, the suspension system helps maintain stability and comfort. Technology and features. The 2025 Xpulse 200 is packed with new tech features, including a digital instrument cluster that displays essential riding information. It also comes with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to navigate trails and track your riding stats through a mobile app. The addition of LED headlights ensures visibility during night rides or low-light conditions. Conclusion. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is a worthy upgrade, bringing both performance improvements and practical features to enhance your off-road experience. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure-seeking rider, the Xpulse 200 delivers the perfect blend of power, comfort, and style. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Sphere, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.